Today I'm back at our factory in India. I arrived yesterday morning and I did a video because I was really tired, and today is my second day and I really don't have that much to show you. I have had some new fabric samples and we did work on a new underwired long line bra which we're still working on because we're getting a little crease here which we need to get rid of. But that is a new long line which I wasn't intending to do, but one of our old customers emailed me a few weeks ago and said, are you going to be doing long lines in more sizes? Yesterday I gave you a sneak preview of a nautical set I'm working on, and this is the belt for it. The belt and the collar are actually totally detachable because the idea behind it is that you can wear the navy blue dress and beach pyjamas as navy blue, or you can add the nautical accessories and wear it as a nautical outfit. And of course you can change it up. If we do this in a pink or a red, you can wear navy with pink and red accessories and get multiple looks out of the same outfits. So it's Saturday and I'm back at work. It's usual for factories in India to work 6 days a week, so yes, I'm here today. It's gradually moving over to 5 days a week for shops and offices, but for factories it's still 6 days a week. Hi, it's me and it's Sunday and yes, I'm back at work. I know yesterday I said that we only work Monday to Saturday in India at our main factory, but because I'm here, we're also here on Sunday to finish off our samples. And when I'm here, we generally do work Sundays because we generally make as much as we can out of the time that I've got. It's actually a festival day on Tuesday, and so everyone's taking Tuesday and Wednesday off instead, which is good for everyone because it means that people can have a drink on Tuesday night and we don't have to worry about wonky stitches when they come in on Wednesday. The first thing that struck me when I visited this factory over 20 years ago was how chilled out everything was, and I expected going to a factory in India that it would be very strict and very regimented. And it's not just me who thinks that. The main person I work with is Rahul, who is actually the son of the owner of the factory who I used to work with and still work with. But he said, you know, he's just come into the industry the last couple of years and he's visited a lot of factories, and he said when visiting other factories in the area about how shocked he is about how regimented everything is. It's like the guys here, yes, they work Sunday, but it's a choice of what day off they want and they prefer to have the Wednesday off afterwards. There's no such thing as bathroom breaks or anything like that. If they want to go to the bathroom, they go to the bathroom. If they want to fill up their water bottles, they go and fill up their water bottles. If they want to have a chat, they want to have a chat. And I guess the downside of that is it reflects in our prices because we don't make as much as we could do if everyone was sat at their sewing machines and not allowed to move for 8 or 9 hours a day. But that's really not the way I want to work. I want people to enjoy what they're doing, and yeah, it is very chilled out and everyone's very friendly and feels comfortable with each other and also comfortable with me.